Hello everyone. Today, let's learn about how to introduce yourself confidently in English. First, let's master the classic introduction, which is typically more formal and structured, perfect for professional or new academic environments. When you meet someone new in a formal setting, start with a clear greeting like, "Hello, my name is." Follow this with a polite question such as, "It's a pleasure to meet you. What's your name?" or "How do you do?" You can then add context, like your profession or where you're from. For example, "I'm a developer at Tech Solutions," or "I'm from Mumbai." Remember to maintain eye contact and offer a firm handshake to convey confidence and professionalism. For instance, you might say, "Good morning, my name is Priya Sharma. I'm the new marketing manager. It's a pleasure to meet you." Another example: "Hello, I'm Rohan Patel, a student from Delhi University. How do you do?" Now, let's move on to casual or social introductions, which are much warmer and more relaxed, perfect for parties, cafes, or meeting friends of friends. Here, you can use simpler greetings like, "Hi, I am," or "Hey, nice to meet you, I am." It's common to add a brief, friendly comment about the situation, like, "I'm enjoying this party," or "This coffee shop is great." This helps break the ice and encourages a natural conversation flow. Let's compare the two approaches. The classic introduction is formal, structured, and focuses on professional details. The casual introduction is warmer, more relaxed, and aims to build rapport through shared experiences. The key to both is confidence. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try these phrases in real life situations. Which one do you use most often? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more tips on improving your English fluency and confidence, stay tuned for part 2 of our series. And remember, you can practice these introductions anytime, anywhere with Vanim, your free AI English speaking tutor.